Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode, let's talk about the most common problem that you can encounter with commercial glue-down carpet. Stick around to find out what it is and how you can fix it with encapsulation. Everybody knows, if they've been around commercial carpet cleaning, that wicking is a nightmare. And here's the problem with wicking. You clean the carpet, everything looks great. After you're done cleaning, while the carpet's still wet, you look at the carpet, it's beautiful. Then you pack everything up, you leave, and a day or two later, you get the dreaded phone call that says, hey, what happened? I've got these recurring spill stains, or the traffic lanes look terrible. Well, what's happened? You did a great job. You know you did a great job. It looked great when you were done cleaning. It's the wicking process. So let's do a little bit of a deep dive into what's happening and how you can fix it. So what's actually happening when it comes to wicking? What is it that we're talking about? Wicking is happening because soil that's down deep in the carpet is coming back up during the drying process through capillary action. As the water rises to the surface during the drying process, it's drawing with it any contaminants that are in the backing or down low in the carpet. And with commercial glue-down carpet particularly, that's a problem. The reason why is that it has a great ability to hold soil down at the backing because the carpet pile is so packed together tightly, and it's really impossible to get everything out from down below, for example, with good vacuuming. So typically with commercial glue-down carpets, we have impacted soil down at the backing, spills go down to the floor, and there's limited airflow as we, for example, use hot water extraction and pass a wand over it. You're not getting great airflow. You're basically just squirting a puddle on the carpet and trying to suck the puddle off the carpet with a wand. So you're not getting that Venturi effect where you're really pulling the soil through the carpet like you would with, for example, carpet that's installed over a pad. You get great airflow, great recovery. So we're at really a challenging condition when it comes to commercial glue-down carpet. So wicking with commercial glue-down carpet is exceptionally a problem. Plus there's a lot of olefin in commercial glue-down applications, and olefin, polypropylene, it sheds water quickly, so the wicking process is exacerbated. It just really speeds up the wicking process, makes it a lot worse. So we expect to see wicking in commercial glue-down carpets, and we do. I've been cleaning commercial carpets since the early 1980s, and in the 80s and the 90s, I was beating my head against the wall trying to find a solution for how to deal with these wicking conditions, recurring spill stains. So I kept searching for a solution. I went to my suppliers, I talked to my IICRC instructors, eventually message boards emerged, and I went to message boards to try to find answers. I couldn't find an answer anywhere. Tried everything. I tried all kinds of equipment. Initially we're doing a lot of rotary followed by extraction cleaning. So we would pre-scrub the carpet and then extract. Ended up trying RX20. My supplier recommended lower moisture methods, so I tried Host, tried Von Schroeder machines, tried different bonnet cleaning applications, tried everything, really. Tried just about everything you could think of. High pressure, high performance extraction. Nothing was fixing the problems. Tried different cleaning solutions until we landed on encapsulation. Encapsulation solved the problem. It is known, it's well known in the industry that encapsulation fixes wicking. So that nightmare, it's now gone with a good encapsulation program. And that's really what Releasit accomplishes. Releasit products, regardless of which one you work with, is going to do a terrific job when it comes to wicking. And here's why. So here's a couple of reasons why Releasit products work so well to slow or completely stop the wicking process. For one thing, Releasit detergents regulate the drying process. So in other words, that wicking process where it travels up quickly is going to be diminished greatly working with Releasit. Also the fact that our products are loaded with the crystallizing polymer. That polymer holds soil in suspension, enabling us to keep soil under control. It really helps to minimize the wicking process. The soil-resistant properties also that are there in Releasit, again, help to diminish wicking, slow it down very much, to the point that it basically is non-existent. So what we normally see as we clean with Releasit is that the carpets look great initially when they're clean, but we don't get that call back a day or two later. In fact, the carpets continue to look better and better. Now, taking that point further, problem carpets that formerly were carpets that wicked, as we continue to clean with Releasit, those carpets become easier to manage. In other words, they get cleaner and cleaner. The wicking gets more controlled. That's what's happening with the Releasit products. And when we talk about its ability to slow wicking and get wicking under control, we can take carpets that have already completely bottomed out, carpets that look awful, carpets that you're struggling with, and as you continue to maintain them with Releasit products, you're going to find that those carpets go back to a very like-new condition. So it's a great strategy when we're dealing with commercial glue-down carpets, because we can basically put an end to wicking, put an end to recurring spill stains, put an end to those calls that you get the next day saying, hey, what happened to my carpets? It really makes you look like a hero. So there you have it. Releasit products can help you get wicking under control to end that problem, that nightmare. They do a great job of keeping the carpet looking good over the extended period of time. So I'll put links to some of the products below that you might want to consider. Give it a try. If you have any questions, reach out to us. It's just one more way. We're here to help you max your Encap. And getting wicking under control, if you're doing commercial carpet cleaning particularly, it certainly will make you look great in the eyes of your customers as you keep their carpets looking great. Thank you for watching this episode. If you would, give us a thumbs up, share your comments below, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching Encap TV.